Morning, guys. What a great way to get back on the vehicle. We've got like 12 hyenas around us and they're busy harassing the Tsalala pride. I can actually see more lions off to the right of me. This is really good. Oh, there's a kill. It looks like they got a buffalo. There we go. We can see it looks like a buffalo calf. You can see the hyenas getting closer and closer. There's two. The other lioness has now moved closer to the carcass just to keep the hyenas honest. Just hear those hyenas lowing in the background. The hyenas just made an attempt to come in and that tailless lioness was off in a flash. And now we can see her scent marking. There's two quite close to her. Look at, she might take a run at them. The hyena's greatest attributes and why they're such a successful animal is their patience. And hyena's so strong, they would have been able to grab that carcass and probably run off with it quite a distance if the lions hadn't been being vigilant. That hyena's going to try to sneak around the back, and you might find I'm getting quite close to the carcass. Welcome back, guys. These hyenas just charged in and stole what's left of the kill. Although the one lion's managed to keep it there. There we go. These hyenas are fighting over what's left. How incredible is that sound? They've been lying in the bush here, just waiting for the right time to get in there. And there goes that lioness with a piece of meat in her mouth. Lions, although they've got incredibly powerful jaws, nothing in comparison to a hyena. So, just crushing that bone.